These are called V-belt pulleys. This is the old type of pulleys which are called imperial type of pulleys, and these are also pulleys, V-belt pulleys, but this is called a taper lock pulley. This is the best in quality and construction today. Now the most important thing when you want to identify a pulley is the diameter of the pulley, because depending on the diameter the speeds vary. So you need to know this is called the outside diameter. Now say about this is 130, 5 inches. So this is the first information which you have to provide, is the diameter of the pulley. Then is the number of belts you are using on that. Now this is a B type pulley, B for Bombay. Now in pulleys there is A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. These three models are working. So you need to identify which is the belt size you are using for the pulley. After these two details are given, the third detail which is very important is the shaft diameter on which you want to mount the pulley. Now this is the ID, this is called the ID, the inner diameter. Now this pulley is going to mount on a shaft. So you need to inform what is the ID required, based on which you can buy, and then it's a ready to fit job. Now these traditional pulleys are also the same. You need to inform the diameter of the pulley. Now for example, this is 4.5 inches, 1, 2, 3, 3 belts, and this one is of C, C for cat. So once these details are given, the size of the pulley is determined. But then for this one, we don't have a ready-made bush job. You need to know the ID, and after which you need to go to a workshop and get it bored and keyed, like in this one. This is a ready-fit bush, but because this is a traditional model of pulleys, you have to get the bore job done and mount it on your machine.
So how many types of this belts are there, sir?
See, most running sizes are A, B and C, but then there is one more belt which is called D, which is for a heavy duty application for say 25, 50, 100 HP motors. Like say here you are, this is a B belt, B for Bombay. Now this is how it fits. Now on a B belt pulley, a C belt will not fit. You know, it's like a bigger shoe size. And this one is a C belt pulley. In the C belt pulley, the C belt fits well. But whereas if you go for a B one, it will not fit well.
Right.
And this is the biggest one, D, which is not very frequently used. It's for a very bigger application. Now this will not fit either of them. So first thing to identify is the belt. This is D, then there's, as I said, A, B and C. Identify the belt model. This is the, these numbers are for the length of the belt. This is the type of the belt, D. So the diameter of the pulley, number of belts you want to use, and the ID. Because if you don't know the ID, then it will not be ready to mount. You will have to then again rebore it and get it done. So most important information is the OD, the ID.
Correct. Thank you sir.
ये जो पुली है ये मैंने ख़रीदा, तो मैं बताऊंगा मैंने क्या क्या स्पेसिफाई किया। ये 500 mm डाया का पुली है, और ये है इसका बेल्ट शेप जो कि बी टाइप है। ये हो गया इसका डायामीटर जो मैंने मेज़र किया, और ये है इसका बोर डाया या इनर डाया, मतलब ये शाफ्ट का डाया जिस पे आप फिक्स करोगे। ये 3535 स्टैंडर्ड साइज़ है, और 80 जो लिखा है इसका बोर साइज़ है, मतलब 80 mm के शाफ्ट पे लगेगा। ये 3 एलन की से एलन बोल्ट से लॉक होता है, और 2 जो एक्स्ट्रा है वो डिसमेंटल करने के लिए, बुश को निकालने के लिए बाहर। ये मैंने लिया हैदराबाद के रानीगंज मार्केट से, मेट्रो इंजीनियरिंग एंटरप्राइज, जो कि 1970 से है ये इनका शॉप वहाँ पे, और मतलब 50 ईयर्स से भी ज़्यादा पुराना है, और इनके पास ऑल काइंड ऑफ पुलिस आर अवेलेबल। यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट देम इफ़ यू वांट देयर कॉन्टैक्ट, जस्ट कमेंट वंस, आई विल गिव यू द कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर्स। All pulleys, traditional pulleys and current dated standard pulleys, everything you will get it here. So visit them. Thank you.